everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking and fitness channel. Guys, half of the battle of my Pinay Fitness is been in this gym and the other half is in the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to eat healthy. Guys, believe it or not, I actually eat 4 or 5 meals a day. Guys, I just got back from the gym, so I need a quick healthy Filipino meal. And today's recipe is a healthy pork adobo, and to make it healthy, I'm going to use chicken for my healthy adobo. Here are the ingredients for my healthy chicken adobo: skinless chicken breast, tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, dark soy sauce, vinegar, cooking oil, salt, and ground black pepper. Now let's start cooking. In a preheated pan, add the vegetable oil. Then add the garlic, okay, and saute. Then add the ginger. Give a stir. Then add the onion. Smells so good. Give it a stir. And once the onion is soft, add the tomato. Give it a stir. Mix it up. I can't wait to eat this healthy chicken adobo. Once the tomato is soft, just put the ingredients in one side and add the chicken breast. See guys? There you go. And give it a stir, guys, okay? As we walk cooking, I'm cooking this, guys, on a high heat, okay guys? You can also use a normal pan. When the chicken is brown, add the vinegar. Then the dark soy sauce. Then the salt. And the ground black pepper. Give it a stir. Guys, you can also add butter if you wish. Give it a stir. After 10 minutes, my healthy adobo is now ready to serve and enjoy. Guys, being extra healthy, we're serving our adobo with brown pasta. So good. With the juice. Here we go, guys. My healthy adobo is now ready to serve and enjoy. Now let's taste it. Wow. Healthy and delicious, and it goes really well with brown pasta. You have to try this, guys. Guys, throughout my fitness transformation, I've not counted calories, but for those who are interested, here are the nutritional values of this healthy adobo dish. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this Filipino cooking and fitness video, and if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and remember guys, keep flexing. Paalam, God bless.